Hello lovelies, welcome back to the channel. I have had a lot of requests for this makeup tutorial, so we're going to do that today. I think that this look can really be adapted to be feminine or masculine or more neutral, I suppose, so I will talk a little bit about that as we go along. So I'm going to start out with the eyes and take a lightish red colour. This is Aphrodite from the Divinity palette from Strobe Cosmetics, but any light red will do. And I'm going to start blending that out the whole way around the eyes, bringing it down quite far below the eye as well. If you don't look like a sleep-deprived vampire, you probably haven't done it enough, so just keep going. And then I'm going to take the darker red colour, which is Freya, and start in on the lid with that, blending it out into the lighter colour. It's quite a subtle difference in shades, but I think it just does give a nice effect. If you only have one colour of red, you probably could just use the one you have. This is just because I have these available to me. If you're just going to use the one shade of red, then just make sure that you blend out the edges extra well so the colour is deeper in the middle. And I chose to just highlight the inner corners here. This isn't necessary, but I just wanted to brighten the look up a little bit. Next I am lining my top and bottom waterline with some pencil eyeliner. This just really helps fill out the lashes and give it a darker look. And then I'm going in with my usual eyeliner and I'm adding a wing. If you want to use this look in a more masculine or neutral way, then just leave off the wing, and I think that should take away the femininity here. And then I'm just using a fluffy angled brush to smoke out the eyeliner on the bottom with a little bit of black eyeshadow. Next up I'm putting mascara on the top and bottom eyelashes. And as always I am popping on some fake eyelashes because I just prefer how it looks. Again, if you're going for a masculine or neutral look, you don't have to use the eyelashes. So next up we're doing the lips. Now, the way I do this, I'm going to warn you, is a little bit stupid, but I have tried every single method out there and this is my favourite so far. There are a lot of different ways to do it, but this is what I do. So I start by putting a little bit of the lipstick shade that I want to use on my finger and I dab off the excess on a tissue, and then I'm just going to start smudging the entire way around my lips, just dabbing and smudging gently to get a really soft fade. And here's where it gets really dumb. I swear I have tried the other methods. This just gives the most authentic, messy, smudgy look for me. I put some on the back of my hand and then just start smudging away with it. As I say, you don't have to do this, you can try other ways, but this just gives the most authentic look to me. So I start doing that, and if you have your lips puckered you will get little sort of lines, so then you just want to go in and smooth those out with your finger so that you don't have any gaps. After that I put some of the same lipstick just in the very middle of my lips, and then I start smudging and blending it out from there. So you just want to put it on the middle and then fade it out. Finally, I add a little bit of a dark glossy red to complete the look. I think it just gives a good sort of bloody, smudgy vampire effect. And sometimes if I'm having trouble getting the pigment to really show around the cupid's bow area, I will take some eyeshadow in the same colour on a little fluffy brush and just dab it directly over the top of the cupid's bow. And that's the completed look. I warned you, my methods are dumb, but they get the results I want, so I can't complain really. I hope you enjoyed this. If you do this yourself, I would love to see it, so tag me in your posts, and I'll see you next time. Bye lovelies!